Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Argument here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of stuff. Would you look at this? This is something you don't see that often, guys. This is the Shirogorov Argument. This is a pretty cool pouch from Shirogorov with some magnets, but we are here to chat about this guy over here. Pretty unique knife. You don't see this guy very often in the wild because it's a rare one, and yeah, it's a Shirogorov. It's a big boy. It has a wooden handle. It's an axis lock, as you can see. It has a spidey hold, but it's a bear. So it's a Shirogorov with some Spyderco, some Benchmade features, and some wood in the scales, which is really not that common indeed. And if you check the overall length of this guy, it's gonna be 9 inches overall, which it's equivalent to 23 centimeters, or like cutting edge of 9.6 centimeters, which are equivalent to 3.875 inches, and a handle of 5.2 inches, equal to 13 centimeters. So this is not a small knife by any means, but it's a nice axis lock with some nice, really nice veins, wooden scales. Like, look at that. That's something that you don't see that often. Indeed, it's probably pre-Shirogorov shop. 3 standoffs going on. You have one stop pin there and one stop pin there, and you have another one in the middle, which is actually the lock. That's the pin for the axis lock, which is actually working with Omega spring. You just put them back, pull them back, and there's a notch right here on the tang of the blade, you see, that lets the spring have this pin going upwards, and therefore locking the blade in this position. And when you close it, boom, it's gonna act as a detent like that. So very interesting mechanism here. You've got like a tip-up carry only pocket clip with 2 screws, leaving like this cutout here for the lanyard hole, which is drilled through the scales. Very interesting option. Nicely chamfered scales. You've got a spidey hole. You've got some jimping going on. You've got this X12M probably steel, which is a very interesting steel. Really cool action, very smooth. There's a little bit of lock stick because probably this looks like pretty new, but guys, you can spidey flick like that, you can thumb flick, you can do the axis lock deployment all day long. I mean, it's a fidgety one. It's a very strange one, and it's like an unusual Shirogorov for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.